Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your Mercedes E-Class. First, turn on your car's ignition and locate the main display screen. Use the control knob or touch interface to access the main menu. From there, you'll want to find the System or Settings option. This is your gateway to customizing various vehicle functions, including the time. Once you're in the Time and Date submenu, you'll see options to adjust both the time and the date. Select Set Time to change the hours and minutes. You can usually use the control knob to scroll through the numbers. After setting the time, move to Set Date if needed. Remember to confirm your selections to ensure the changes are saved. For ultimate convenience, look for the Automatic Time Synchronization option. Enabling this feature allows your Mercedes to use its GPS system to automatically update the time. This means you won't have to manually adjust for daylight saving time or when traveling across time zones. It's a smart way to keep your clock accurate with minimal effort. After making all your adjustments, take a moment to verify that the clock on your dashboard and main display shows the correct time. Double-check the date as well to ensure everything is accurate. This simple check confirms your settings are saved and working perfectly. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.